So this US 30 analysis for Wednesday, the 18th of April. Now let's just have a look what our prices and where prices may likely go. Uh, on the US 30, we've seen this continued recovery here from this 24,420. Had a brief pullback beneath the 650. That price progressed beyond the 700, head up beyond the 800, and came in towards a very strong major level previously marked out here in red in around that 864. So we came pretty close for a perfect test of the 864. Our actual highs were 24,859, so within 5 points of the 864. And what we have seen is a bit of a pullback from that 864. We've traded all the way down below the 800 levels. Didn't quite get down to 700. We've progressed all the way downwards. Now we're into towards this. Into a bit of a consolidation at present, in around that 24,800. So we'll look to see if we can break back above and hold above the 24,800. Successful break from which we're looking to see our price direct on a retest of the 24,864. And if we do see this continued progression to the upside in alignment with the most recent trend, we are then looking for price to progress towards our 25,000. Successful break from which we're looking for 25,101. And if we do see sufficient volatility, 25,243 may just come into focus. Similarly to the downside, if we do break down from where we are at present, we're looking to see if 24,700 holds, 650, and a successful break from which we're looking for the major level of 25,550. And if we do break down from there, and if there is sufficient volatility, 24,420 may just come into focus. Our most recent swing lows here in the market after the market gapped up, and in around that level, in around the 24,420, we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average as well as the horizontal level, thus increasing likelihood of potentially finding support in around that 420. If we do see that retracement all the way back down towards that 24,420 level, below 24,420, we have obviously got the 24,238, but I anticipate 24,238 coming into focus here on the US 30. What we'll do now is we'll have a look at the brief look here at the daily chart just to see how prices are progressing here. And as we can see, we're seeing that continued recovery here in the US 30. We've had our lows, our highs, lower highs, still strong move here to the downside, came down towards the 200 period moving average, didn't retest the old lows here from February, and we've seen this continued progression here towards the upside. Now, these candles here, while the progression has been somewhat consistent, candles are pretty small. Ideally, we like to see larger candles on a open to close on a daily perspective, but it is a recovery nonetheless. So we'll look to see our price direct towards major levels previously identified, but we do seem poised for further upwards continuation in alignment with the overall theme on the US 30, which is over the long term, over the very, very long term. It does trend upwards, even despite the fact that we do see pullbacks here and there. Over time, it does trend upwards, and we are in alignment with that overall trend at present. Now, with that said, that wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.